Okay, so this is a return job, and what I did, I pretty much put everything back together. Customer brought it, all the relays were taken apart. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace those 4 transistors. This is the one, because those transistors, they controlling those relays, and those relays, they tested good, but I tested the transistors, they test okay, but I still want to, I know that the customer replaced one on this side, so what I want to do, I wanted to remove those ones, and also the diodes. I have like 1, 2, 3 diodes I want to replace. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I replace the transistors, and then the diodes, I'm just going to do it in a separate video, or I will see. But yeah, I'm going to start with those ones, and let's do it. So this is what the customer did. So I'm gonna take all his transistors out. I believe there could be still problem with them anyways, even though he did some repairs on them. I still think that maybe we have a bad transistors still. So this one, that's the one he replaced, and I'm going to swap those 3 ones too. So, and then I'm gonna let him grab it and test it at home. But everything else tested good on this board, so the only thing left is those transistors, because they are working with those relays. They're helping them to switch on and off. So we'll see. And there is one more last here, and I'm going to remove this one as well, and this is the one, those 2 legs. I believe it should fix the issue. I mean, I don't know what else can be wrong with this board. I mean, everything else tested good. I tested every single component on this board, and everything tested good. So it should work. So this is the 3 transistors. I'm gonna install them as I promised you guys. By the way, oh yeah, they're all the same. Just want to make sure. 4401, yeah. 4403. 44. Oh. 4401 and 4403. Okay. Luckily I have one board like this, so I'm going to compare. Where is it? I have to find it. They're a little bit different, so let me find this board and I'll get back to you. Okay, it's good that they took few pictures, as you can see. So two of them I know for sure. So this is the picture I took from this side or this side, P1, P11. Okay, so here you go. So I see there is 14401, and this is the one right here. Yeah, you want to make sure you put the right transistors in there. 4401, which is this guy, I believe. Yeah, right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and beside it the 40403. Okay, see, they're slightly different, but it's important though. You have to do that. Now I have to find the other two. I don't know if I have pictures of the other two, but this one is going to be 40403. Okay, now the other two, I don't know if I have pictures, but let's see. Let me see. Okay, the other two I have to research. I can't remember what was the numbers, but I'm gonna check online and then I'll get back. Oh, here you go. This one is, here you go, 4403. The one by the diode right here is 40403. Okay, that's good. Always take pictures, you see, it really helps. 40403. Right here. Boom. One left. 40403, and this one is, I have one more left. Oh, and this one is the one that the customer replaced. I remember this one. This one had a little damage at the back, and it's 40401. Here you go, boom. Okay, now I'm gonna just solder everything in place, and I will replace those 3 diodes. This time I will take some pictures and I'll write things down, because you don't want to mess up with those things, because every little piece here is different. So you want to make sure you do it right. I would say it's very crucial, because if you put the wrong, it's a little tight space here to work on the board, but I think I'll be okay. Oh. Let me see. Okay. I think I got all of them. Yeah, looks good. Where's my cutters? No, here we go. Okay, the transistors are all replaced, and this is, oh, I have one transistor that I have to put it back in. Whoa, go back in, go back in. Okay, and you want to be careful with those, it's so delicate. I think I got it good. Okay, now I'm just gonna cut the excess material. I think this board for today, and that's it. I'm done. Okay. There's things all over the place. I can't remember nothing right now. I'm just gonna try to clean this area here. It looks good overall, except one. I just noticed this guy right here. Yeah, it has good connection, but I just don't like the way it's soldered. Let's see what I can do with it. I like it better now. Yeah. Right. Okay. Let me just double check. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now I have to do the diodes. So there's 3 diodes. Okay, so it looks like they're all the same, I believe, unless I have more packages. No, they're all the same. Let's see. Yeah. So the only thing is, when you do the diodes, look at the black mark. That should match with this black mark. So I'm gonna start with this one, and that the last one. Oh, this is a broken diode. I don't know from where this came from, but okay. So let's take those old diodes out. So there's one here. Yeah. You can remove all of them. It's not really hard to install those diodes. To install, but what you have to do, pretty much pull it out like this. Should don't take this one out. Okay, one side came out. And this one just needs a little bit of heat, and it will come out. You can do one by one, it's up to you. I like to do them all. The only thing is, like as I mentioned before, make sure this black line will match this black line right here. Now I'm going to take this one out. After I'm done with those, I think this board should be okay for testing. I'm gonna call the customer and he can come and test it. It should work. The customer complaint was that it's not switching, and actually those transistors are the one that switch those relays, so it might be that the issue. I tested them, as I mentioned, they are kind of tested fine, but we'll see. I think this one will go out as well. This little tricky angle, but yeah, I got the one leg. It's always the one that's left. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you how I do the one, and then I'm going to stop recording, and then you can do the same if you ever come across this issue. So basically the black side, the black line here, the ribbon, you want to match it with the black. You just push the diode back in like so. And then on the back side, you kind of twist them. If you want to make it perfect, you can just play around with it a little bit. But for me, I think that's good enough. Now I'm just going to put some flux in here. And then you do the same thing on the other side with the other ones, and then you should be all good to go. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below, and so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and take care. Bye bye.